Good day, class. Today, I will prepare a tutorial video on how you will construct your abstract. So, my sample project is about the feasibility of gumamela as antibacterial ointment. Okay. So, using the IMRAD format or publishable paper or journal article, so some journal only required 250 words in your abstract. Some journal even as 150. Now you need to concise it. Your abstract should have three three components that should be present for you to be approved or consider it as publishable paper. So your abstract, the abstract of my student here is lengthy. Now we need to paraphrase this one to make it 250 at least. Okay, so the topic is the feasibility of gumamela as an antibacterial ointment. So the topic is about gumamela or Hibiscus rosa sinensis L. So this part will consist of the description of the topic and then the problematic area or the research gap. So let us paraphrase. So here about the general specific of gumamela as ointment. Okay, so we don't need this okay, so let us first highlight which words should be included. This one, and then okay, this flower and okay. So this one can be highlighted. Remember, in abstract, you don't need to put the citation. Okay. So another one. Okay, this one is good. No abstract. Okay. This ancient and recent time. This one is good. Okay. Okay. So this one. This one. Okay. So these are the possible words or significant statement that can be included, but still it is still lengthy. Okay, we can delete the unnecessary words. Okay, so let us see if we can get the complete thought of. So it is used as used in the treatment of menstruation. Then okay, no need for this because it is already here. Okay. So we delete this one. We only put in ancient time. In ancient literature, it shows beneficial effect in heart disease, while in recent time, both experiments show that the and protect effects of heart diseases. So, no, no, uh, show the most extract, and it is reported that 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 Rosa and antibacterial tips and antibiotics as well in one feeding. There, there is, there is, there is an antibacterial activity. Okay, no more for this effect. Now, after you present your rationale, you can now position your uh, research gap or statement of your problem. So here in this reason, this study intend to find out the feasibility of of as an as an anti as an antibacterial ointment. Okay. Using metasynthesis. Okay. Then, so, you have already the rationale, and then the problematic, okay. So, we need to have a problematic area. So, there is reported, okay, so we need to put the uh, problematic area. Nowadays, herbal medicine has been promoted. Okay, no, not promoted, but herbal medicine is now getting popularity across the country.